Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to link your X account or Twitter account with Facebook. Let's begin. Firstly, make sure you have a Facebook account and open your Facebook app on your Android device. Here you can see a person icon or profile icon. Tap on it. There you can see the option of edit profile. Tap on it. Here you can see you'll come across this page. Scroll little down. There you can see the option of links. Tap on add. Here you can see the option of social links. Here you can see add social links. You should know how to copy your social link. I'll show you that as well. So tap on add social links. Here you can see platform. We are inserting the link of Twitter. So tap on Twitter. Over here, write your username. Your Twitter is linked with your Facebook. Thank you for watching this video. You can like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content.